Yo Brolly, what's up and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I just want to share with you a quick update with regards to my plan on creating a dedicated space, dedicated blank setup for shooting different products, peripherals, monitors, PC builds, and everything in between. With that being said, let's get into it. So here's the current situation of this part of the studio. As you can see, it is absolutely horrendous. And the plan is to remove this refrigerator and then move it here on the kitchen. And then remove this shelf, remove this table. So basically, I'm going to remove everything that you can see right here. And then I'll find another table to be placed at the center that will serve as our blank canvas or blank desk setup canvas, wherein we can feature different products, peripherals, PC builds, and what have you, dedicated for that purpose only, aside from my main workstation and my unboxing desk as well. So yeah, good luck. All right, so as you can see, I've already cleared this space. Obviously, I still have a lot of things to stow away, but the good thing here is that the refrigerator is now in the kitchen. And then we also have the shelf right here at the right side, but I'm not totally convinced where to put this, probably either here or here on the left side corner. And then for the table, I'm planning on putting 120mm by 60mm table from Miss Ivy Legazpi Katindig, one of my favorite local sellers here in the Philippines that offers affordable desks. Now, I'm also planning on putting a pegboard right here, probably from Iron Meets Wood. And then, since I'm just using a 120mm table, I'm planning on getting a sturdy drawer that can accommodate a PC. So the PC will be separated from the desk so that I can have more space for accessories, monitors, and what have you, speakers, and all that. Now, if I'm not going to put this shelf here on the left side, I'll probably put some lamp like this one. And yeah, that's the plan. Now, after that, this setup will not be permanent. I'll probably change the wallpaper, change the monitor, PC, depending on the products that I will feature on this particular desk setup. Again, this will be a blank canvas that will constantly be improved, constantly be changed depending on the things that I want to feature on the channel. So I'm quite excited and I hope you are too. So let's go. Alright, so for the drawer that I was talking about earlier, I decided to go for the IKEA Alex drawer right here. I got this from Stack Furniture. Unfortunately, IKEA doesn't offer it for delivery, so I had to purchase elsewhere. This one is a little bit more expensive at around 6,500 pesos, but I think it is better compared to going to IKEA directly in Pasay City, which is due to pandemic, I'm not willing to go that far. So yeah, it's currently on sale though for 10%, so I got it for 5,850. That's a pretty good trade-off. Again, I don't want to go outside, so I guess it is what it is. Okay, so the table from Miss Ivy Legazpi Katindig finally arrived. So this one is 120 by 60 centimeter. And we also have the IKEA Alex drawer that I bought from Stack Furniture. But not only that, I also bought another drawer right here. So this one is the Marius. Pretty similar to IKEA Helmer right here. But this one has a larger bottom drawer. But going back to our new desk setup, as you can see, the size of the table perfectly matches the available space on this side of the studio. And the PC that I will be featuring will be put here on the top of the Alex drawer. Now, this boltless rack, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this here on this space because I don't particularly like the size in relation to the setup right here, as well as the overall design. But I'm not sure yet. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should put on this space. But yeah, for now, it is what it is. And on this side, we also have the IKEA, I think, Lerberg. And this is my charging station. I'll probably get a small pegboard so that I can properly organize my chargers and my batteries, as well as do a proper cable management for the cables. Now, Global Gears Distribution also sent in their LED power strip, so I'll put that here at the back of the table, as well as a smart power strip. So we're gonna set this up later. And yeah, so basically pretty much the main components for our setup is already here. I just need to figure out what I will do here on the left side as well as on the right side. And this is the monitor for the setup for the meantime. And yeah, I also have a lot of desk mats here to be featured on that table. So I'm quite excited for this, so let's continue. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing experience for the smart LED strip and smart power strip from Global Gears Distribution before we set this up on our table. So I'm just gonna do this one-handed because this is just a vlog style video. So upon opening the box, we have the 1 meter LED strip. I believe this is waterproof. There you go. We have the specifications right here, IP65. And then we have the power adapter and the controller and the user manual or quick start guide. Then we have the power strip right here. This is 15 amperes as you can see here. These 4 ports with 4 USB ports. Let me just open this up for you guys. There you go. Hold on. Okay. So inside the box, we just have the power strip. And as you can tell, the cable is actually quite thick. There you have it. And we have the specifications here at the back. It seems it doesn't have any sort of mounting points, which will be a challenge when we set this up on our table, but I'll find a way to figure this out. You also have here the user manual or quick start guide, and that's pretty much it. I'll just set this up and I'll get back to you before we end this video, right? Alright, so I'm done setting up the LED strip and the power strip right here. These are both compatible with Smart Life application, so I can access or control this using voice prompts or voice activation. And as you can see, the cable management is pretty decent in my opinion. So aside from the included double-sided tape, I also added additional layer of double-sided tape on the side of the table so that it is more secure. There you go. I added a little bit of support right here so that it will not fall off on its own. And instead of putting the power strip underneath the table, I decided to add some magnets so that I can easily place it on the legs of the table, and I believe it won't be that noticeable from the front compared to when it is here underneath the table. The cables will stick down to the bottom, but the plugs will stick here to the back side. So I think that's a good decision, and I just have to figure out the cable management once I have all the rest of the accessories and peripherals, PC, and other components for this desk setup. Alright, so just a quick update. I decided to flip the power strip upside down so that the cable will be coming from the top down to a single cable to the power outlet. Alright, so I think that's about it for the first vlog of this new series. I'll give you guys more updates soon. I think this video is long enough already. I'll give you guys an update what I'm going to do on the right side as well as on the left side, but the main new desk setup is pretty much done, and we'll figure out what is the first desk setup theme that we're gonna feature in this new desk setup area. And there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. I apologize for the video quality. I shot almost everything using just my iPhone to give you guys a quick update, but hopefully you're excited for this new desk setup. And rest assured that I'll be providing you with more desk accessories, desk theme, PC builds, and all the contents that I can possibly create as quick as possible. We have an upcoming PC build soon, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. You're always awesome.